Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video I'm going to share a very important piece of information. As you can see, I've opened the official website of IELTS. So you can see that right now IELTS is available at more than 80 locations. So this is a really good piece of information because of the current COVID pandemic. It was completely stopped across most of the world, but now with countries and regions slowly opening, we do see tests starting to reappear because a lot of people have their study and immigration plans which were kept on hold because of the pandemic. Although the pandemic is yet to be finished, but still, based on the circumstances, IELTS centers are gradually opening. As you can see, they have provided the information, and they have also written that they are taking precautions for their staff as well as the test taker, so that the health shouldn't be compromised. In the same page down here, you can see the locations where they have provided the information where these are running now. So you can see India, Indonesia, Ireland, all these countries are currently open. Pakistan, Portugal, Qatar. So at many locations it is currently open. They have some special section for IELTS in China. IELTS will begin a phased reopening of testing in China in agreement with National Education Examinations Authority based on the domestic COVID-19 containment provision and local IELTS center situations. So from 11 July they are going to open at 12 centers gradually. This and testing is currently suspended in the following locations in line with official requirements. That and moreover, we know that some decisions, some restrictions are being applied on the spot or rapidly. So whichever locations that currently show they are open, they may come under closure also at a very short notice, because we are seeing that this is happening across the world. So you can see that if you click here, you're gonna see it is blocked at these locations. So here you can check more. And they have even allowed people to wear a mask. Moreover, at some locations, in some countries, in some municipalities, there are laws already in place where any indoor service needs to have a mask. So that is required, but yes, they can ask you to uncover your face temporarily to do security check and identification. That is very important. Hygienic practices on test day. So they ask them to wash their hands on arrival and throughout the test day. So that's it for now, guys. So right now you should go to this link and official IELTS site. And remember, guys, go to the official site. There have been too many scams. Do not fall victim to any ongoing scam. You have to make sure that you are using the official site for information and not to any dummy site, because recently I also uploaded a video where I showed you that somebody was somebody when tried to book the test came across a site that looked legitimate, but ultimately it was not, and the candidate was asked to pay the money through the PayPal transfer. At that time she got realized that she had fallen into a trap, but it was not too late, although she shared her details, but she did not pay the money. So that is really very good, because then that is not possible for anyone to she survived. She did not lose her money. Otherwise scammers can do anything to solicit money from you. So that's it for now, guys. I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a like and comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes into mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. Thank you, guys.